In this video, we are going to fix the Microsoft Store error 0x8007003b in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to run for the SFC scan. How we can do that at this button search bar, please type for CMD. Once you've typed it, you need to wait until you can see a best match, which is the command prompt system. Once you have seen it, you need to navigate to the right side, click on Run as Administrator. Now, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So I want you to copy these two commands at the YouTube description. First is the SFC scan now. So this will do system scanning and this process will take some time, but this will definitely help you. And then once you are done with this, you need to copy and paste the second, which is for the checking of disk. Copy, then paste here. Once done, close the window and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, you need to run for this cleanup. So by that, press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open this small window called Run. Here, please type for clean mgr and then click on the OK button to continue. The moment you click on it, you would be able to open the disk cleanup window where here it will calculate how much space that is available in your PC. So check all of the boxes here so that you can delete all of these files and then click on clean up system files and click on OK and then click on delete files. Once you are done with this, try to check if the error has been fixed, okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.